In this video, we'll be using the TPC TPK-30 tire plug kit. This kit is made for cars and small trucks. However, if you're doing large trucks, you'll need the TPC TPK-40 truck tire plug kit. Using the TPC TPK-30 tire plug kit, which is available at ToolCritter.com, as well as a few other tools which are also available at ToolCritter.com, you can patch your own tire from home without taking it to a shop. Using a standard jack, this one, the ATD 7331, which is available at ToolCritter, is lift your car up so you can take the tire off. Once it's off the ground, you can take the tire off and begin patching the tire. Once you have the car jacked up, use an impact wrench or the tire iron that came with your car to take the lug nuts off. Once you get the tire off, then you need to locate on the tire where the nail is. Simply rotate the tire until you find the nail, and then you need to pull it out. Now, in your tire plug kit, you're going to have two tools that look very similar. The first tool you'll need is the reamer tool. That's the tool with the screw type end that you'll use. Use that tool to ream out the hole where the nail just came from. Now, to ream it out, all you need to do is push the tool into the hole. It's going to take some work to get it in all the way, but once you get it in, just twist the tool around like so until it's most of the way into the tire. Then just pull it back out. The other tool that came with the tire plug kit is called the plug insertion tool. What you need to do is use that tool to insert the plug. Simply remove one of the plugs from the package, thread it through the tool, and you're ready to start plugging your tire. Now that the plug is into the tire, all you need to do is take some pliers and clean off the excess. After your tire is plugged, you want to bring it back up to proper inflation. That can be found on the tire, in this case 44 psi. After we've successfully plugged the tire, this is what the final product should look like. Now all we have to do is put the tire back on the rim and lower the vehicle. Once you get the tire back on and have put the lug nuts back on most of the way, use a torque wrench to tighten it the rest of the way to the proper specs. And now you've successfully plugged your tire. While the only tool that you actually needed for this project was the tire plug kit, which is available from ToolCritter, the TPC TPK-30, this kit right here, all the other tools that you saw us use which make your job easier are also available on ToolCritter. Now this is how you do it with ToolCritter.com.